Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss about the problem. The name of the problem is fun. So what the problem actually says that we are given two integer n and x. We have to find such triplets or such three integers a, b and c such that ab plus ac plus bc is less than equals to n and a plus b plus c is less than equals to x. Here one thing to note that order actually matters, meaning 1 1 2 and 1 to 1 are pretty different. Okay, uh, so we need to find how many triplets are valid, so that this condition and this condition actually holds. Okay, so I am actually showing you my code that will easy to understand. Here you can see that it is a simple brute force code. Here what I have done, I have iterated from I equals to 1 to I less than equals to x minus 2, y x minus 2, because the remaining 2 must be greater than or equals to 1. The problem here, yes, ABC must be strictly greater than 0, meaning they are equal or greater than 1. So I have iterated from I equals to 1 to a equals to 1 to a less than equals to x minus 2 and incremented every time. Then I have taken from b equals to 1 to a into b less than equals to n. Why I have taken that, I will show you in whiteboard. uh, let's say we have given two conditions. One is a plus b plus c should be less than uh, equals to x, and ab plus bc plus ca should be less than equals to n. So I will iterate through a. I have taken a from 1 to x minus 2 because b and c can be 1 and 1 each. So the highest value that a can reach is x minus 2. And now for b, I have checked. Uh, for b, I have checked that if ab is less than equals to n or not, because if ab is greater than n, then obviously this condition cannot hold or cannot satisfy. So I have taken such b that a into b is less than equals to n, and if b is somehow greater than that, that means ab is greater than n, so the whole left hand side or this portion is greater than n. That will not hold our condition. Okay, uh, and one thing, another to notice that c can be what? C can be actually x minus a plus b, and c also can be n minus ab divided by a plus b. Why? Because here ab plus c into a plus b is less than equals to actually n, and then we can write it like this: c a plus b less than equals to n minus ab, and then we can write actually c less than equals to n minus ab by a plus b. Here one thing to notice that as we are iterating through all the possible values of a, then we are iterating through all the possible values of b, then and c is the upper portion. C is the here what we have found here is the upper bound of C. So anything between 1 to this number can give us a valid answer. So we every time we found any C, and what C to take, we will take this C or this C. So we have to follow both of the conditions. If somehow C follows this condition and let's say it is smaller and it is greater, so as it is higher, if we take C as it as this value, then obviously this condition will break. Why? That is the upper bound of C that can be possible according to this condition. And if any C value is much more than that, then this condition will break. So we will and if let's say this is less and this is greater, so if we took this as our valid C value, then this condition will break, because that is the upper portion of C that can hold. Here we thought, or we suppose that this is lesser and this is greater, and if we have taken these as valid, then this condition will break up. So we will take C as the less or minimum value of this and this. That will obviously follow both of the conditions or satisfy both of the conditions. And whatever C we have got minimum of this and this, that C from 1 to that number, all answers or all triplets are our possible answers. So we will just answer plus equals to maximum of this and this, and that and in such way we will increment our answer. Okay, I will show you the code again. Where is my code? Yes, here it is. I have done this thing. I have iterated from 1 to x minus 2, then I have iterated b, all possible b's, and the maximum value of b can be such b that a into b is less than equals to n, and thereafter I have written a condition here is the possible value of C can be this or can be this. So if both of the value are less than 1, then we have to break, and I have written it either we have incremented answer to the minimum of the possible both C values. One is x minus a minus b, and another one is n minus ab divided by a plus b. So minimum of both of them will be our possible upper bound of C value, and we have incremented an answer with that. So you can say that as we have looked all possible values of a and all possible values of b, you are watching these, so you can say that the time complexity of this value is of this code is n square, but it is not. I'll show you why. Let's say this x is equivalent to n, so uh, obviously this is running on O of n loop. But what is happening here? Okay, whiteboard. As you are watching that, uh, for a, what will be the possible of b value? We will see that. For a equals to 1, what will be our possible b value? That is n by a. Why? Because a into b should be n, and we are iterating to such range. We are taking b such that a into b is less than equals to n. So the upper portion of b can be such value that a into b is equals to n. So if a equals to 1, then upper portion or upper bound value or the topmost value of b that can be possible is n by a. Okay, if the value of a is 2, then what value of b is n by, sorry, n by 1 here, sorry. And if a the value of a is 2, then it would be n by 2. If that is 3, then that would be n by 3. And these are all the values of b, the upper bound value of b, if the value of a is like this. If 4, that will be n by 4. If the value of, let's say, n, then it would be 1. So you are getting a range, how much time you are iterating actually, and that is actually nothing but n common 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus dot 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 plus 1 by n. Okay, so what is this? This is nothing but n log n. Why log n? Let's say we are considering like this, 1 half, consider half it, it also half. We will show you the Or's complexity. So 1 by 3 is obviously less than 1 by 2, but we are taking 1 by 2, 1 by 2 here. Then you will find 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 7. For every of them we will take 1 by 4. How many times? 4 times. Then you may find 1 by I am writing here like 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7. So for every of them I am taking 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So total 1 by 4 we are getting is 1 by 4 into 4 times. Then we will get 1 by 8. Then we will get 1 by 9, 1 by 10, 1 by 11, 12 up to 1 by 15. So then we can write it actually like this: 1 by 8 into, for 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 numbers. So I can write it like this. You here see that for 1 by 15, sorry, for 1 by 8, for 1 by 9 also I have taken 1 by 8, and 1 by 9 is obviously lesser, and 1 by 8 is obviously a bigger value than 1 by 9. I have taken the bigger value here to calculate the Or's complexity and to make the calculation easier. Here one thing to notice that I have found a sequence like this. 1 by this, there is 1, there is 1 also, and there is 1 also from it, this coming. Here one thing to notice that I found 1 from the first value, then from the second two value I have found 1, then from that value to next 4 value I have found 1, then from that value to next 8 value I found 1. That meaning how much 1 we will get? From first 1 value I will get 1, from next 2 value I will get 1, from next 4 value I will get 1, then from next 8 value I will get 1. That is similar to how many 1 we will get? That is similar to the log n structure. Let's say the total number is n, so the number of 1 we will get from here is actually log n. So you are watching that the overall complexity will be the complexity of this, that is log n, and that n. So total complexity will be n log n. And I will show you to code again. That will be iterated n log n times, and that will be actually calculated in O of 1 time. So the total number of iteration here is n log n, and that will obviously satisfy our problem. Okay, that's all. I hope you have understood the video well.